Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra has denied charging vice chancellors of various universities for copies of his biography. The denial comes after the governor launched his biography at Raj Bhavan, after which vice chancellors of 27 state universities were sent a bill along with 20 copies of the book. While each vice chancellor was charged a whopping sum of 68,000 rupees for 19 copies of the book, one copy was given for free. Raj Bhavan has now said that they had no role in marketing of the book, while the governor has told Times Network that he was unaware of the book being billed at all. In fact, my colleague spoke to the governor, who's denied all charges. In an exclusive conversation with Times Network's Arvind, the governor has said that he just wrote the book. The publication and all related matters were not handled by him. Listen in.
सर, एक आपने देखा होगा कि एक आरोप लग रहा है आपके ऊपर कि आपने अपनी बुक का इनॉग्रेशन करवाया और उसके बाद उसका जो बिल है वो उन लोगों को भेजा कांग्रेस।
नहीं, देखिए हमने तो बुक छपवाया था ना, हमने बुक करवाया है। वो एक IIME इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल मैनेजमेंट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है, इन्होंने सारा छापा है, इन्होंने सारा करवाया है। हमसे कोई मतलब नहीं है। ये वेन्यू था राजभवन, यहाँ सब लोग आए थे, उन्होंने दिया होगा किताब, मुझे इसकी पूरी जानकारी नहीं है। फिर आप कोई यूनिवर्सिटी कोई ले या न ले तो उसको ऊपर निर्भर करता है ना, हमसे इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है।
My colleague Arvind joining us for more on this story. Now, Arvind, just explain to our viewers what exactly this controversy is about and how the governor has completely distanced himself from this.
Governor Kalraj Mishra of Rajasthan has launched his coffee table biography in the hand of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot in presence of Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and Speaker of Rajasthan Assembly CP Joshi on July 1. This program had taken place inside the precinct of the Raj Bhavan. After that, there was a meeting of 27 vice chancellors of state universities. And when these vice chancellors left the Raj Bhavan, then they were told by their drivers and attendants that the Raj Bhavan officials have given them a box which contained 19 books and a bill of around 68,000 rupees. This bill has been accessed by the Times Network, and when Governor Kalraj Mishra had been questioned over the phone by my colleague, he clearly said that he doesn't know anything about it, and it would be on the part of the publisher to do this thing. But Times Now is raising the question that if something is happening inside the precinct of the Raj Bhavan, it is not possible that it has taken place without the knowledge or tacit permission of the Governor Kalraj Mishra, and that is why this has got into snowball into a big controversy here that Governor Kalraj Mishra, who holds the position of the Chancellor of the all state universities in Rajasthan, which are 27, what we are looking at that he has given around 500 books to these 27 vice chancellor, and it cost around 12 to 15 lakh rupees to the exchequer, because if the vice chancellor choose to purchase this book or pay or foot this bill which is being given by the Raj Bhavan, then it would cost the state exchequer around 12 to 15 lakh rupees. So clearly this is an controversy using public money for promoting the book or the biography of the governor. Clearly governor has distanced himself, but he has to answer many questions here.
Well, certainly self-promotion at the expense of the exchequer, and even without, in fact, asking the vice chancellors whether they wanted a copy of that book in the first place. Arvind, thanks so much for that.